Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Before we sing the school anthem, I would like to take a few minutes. First of all, as we have come to the close of this beautiful day of celebration, our annual Sports 2025, coupled with pre-Christmas celebrations. As we heard Madam Salome telling us that it is a team effort, teamwork, that we all contributed, we all cooperated and worked hard in preparing and making sure that the events went off smoothly. So I would like to once again take this opportunity to thank and congratulate all the teachers. Especially, I would like to place on record my gratitude to Sir Raju, our MC for today. Let us give a big round of applause to all the teachers for the hard work and the dedication that they have put in. I would like to also appreciate the leadership role played by all the leaders of different houses, the captains, vice captains, the school captain, school vice captain, in making today's and the whole annual sports celebrations a successful one. So let us also give them a big round of applause to all our captains and vice captains. And congratulations to all of you for having participated, taken keen interest in all the various races, various competitions. You have given your best. All cannot be successful. Some of you came out successful, some of you failed short, but it is a learning experience and an enriching experience for each one of us. So I would like to congratulate all the winners, those who came out first, second and third, and also would like to encourage all those who could not succeed this time. Failure is a stepping stone to success. So next time, better luck to all of you. Those who could not get any medals or come up victorious this time. Okay? Still many more competitions are awaiting us. So here I am pleased to announce the points. Do you want to hear? Yes, I will begin with can you guess who will be the first? Which house? Yes? Okay, you seem to be very hungry and tired, so I shall not waste the time since you are not very eager to respond. I shall read out the points starting from the bottom. Yellow House with 562 points. Green House with 574 points, just 12 points ahead. And Red House comes next with 581 points. Red House. And you know who got the first position? Blue House. 753 points. Way ahead of others. They are more than almost 200 points above others. Those who came behind them are in 500 house. Okay? So congratulations to the winners. Congratulations to Blue House for coming first in the points table. Red House for being second with 581 points. And Green House 574 points, securing the third position. So once again, congratulations to all of you, all the teachers, all the non-teaching staff. It has been a team effort and we are able to conclude successfully this year's annual sports and pre-Christmas celebration on a happy note. First of all, we should not also thank God for having given us such a wonderful weather, fine weather to celebrate our day, conclusion day, without any problems and difficulties. We thank God for His blessings upon each one of us. Okay, so as we break for a winter vacation, short winter vacation, this is just before Christmas and New Year holidays. We begin from tomorrow. I would like to wish you all God's blessings. May it be a time of refreshing, time of rest for each one of us so that we can come back re-energized and refreshed to begin our classes next year on 5th of January 2026. The school will reopen on 5th of January 2026. Okay? And we hope to have the Parents' Day science and art, craft and exhibition very soon when you come. So already as you are spending your time for holidays, kindly think of it. Okay, different classes, as we always do, you will need to present some items for your parents on that day. So kindly already prepare ahead, think of the items that you can put up, be creative and so on, so that we don't waste much time. When we get back, we are ready to start the practices in earnest and get ready for the celebrations. So on this note, I would like to once again thank our chief guest is gone. Our guest of honor, Sister Minerva, has sat through till the end from the beginning. So she also deserves a big round of applause from each one of us. Let's give her a big round of applause. And for the wonderful message that she has given us. Okay? So let us now stand for our school anthem.
बे समाव खेलाया जोब्बाय रायजोफोर खेलाया जोबसिगोन दसेनि उनाव दा जोबनायनि लामायाव लाहार फाहार जाबाय
Half an hour work. Okay, all of you remain. And go. ये flag सब खोल के लेके. Flag and डंडा.